Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? We are back with the 20 coolest car gadgets on Amazon you will need in 2024. But before I go ahead and inform you about every single one of them, I would very dearly want you guys to please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. So without further ado, let's get started. By the way, the last 5 are my favorite ones. 1. Head-up display. Upgrade your driving experience with this head-up display that ensures you stay focused on the road while accessing vital information. It links to your phone through Bluetooth and integrates smoothly with your favorite navigation apps, offering immediate notifications and texts without compromising safety. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any car interior, enabling hands-free phone calls. Installation is a breeze, taking just seconds. 2. Side and rear view cameras. Explore additional features like side and rear view cameras with wide angles, robust weatherproof bodies, and night vision capabilities for clear visibility in darkness. These make every drive safer and more enjoyable. 3. Signal booster experience. Seamless cellular connectivity even in the most remote areas with this signal booster. It consists of 3 crucial components: the outside antenna, signal amplifier, using beat, and inside antenna. This gadget amplifies and distributes the improved signal throughout your vehicle. The booster also features a built-in USB port for charging your phone. 4. Car dryer. Introducing an efficient car dryer that you'll love to own. This compact device swiftly dries your car, leaving it ready to roll in minutes. It's perfect for blowing away hood dust and cleaning wheels. With a 10-foot hose and 3 versatile nozzles, this dryer provides exceptional flexibility. It features low noise and a twin filter system for quiet and efficient operation. 5. TerraPump. No more fuel shortages. Bid farewell to the hassle of refueling your car on the road with TerraPump. Easily install it on your fuel can, insert the nozzle into your gas tank, and press the button to start the process. The pump automatically stops when the sensor detects a full tank. It can also efficiently refuel your bike, lawnmower, and gas generator. 6. Tire inflator with slime sealant. Discover an innovative tire inflator that features a unique slime sealant, proficiently repairing punctures up to a 1/4 inch from the inside. This effective repair can endure over 500 miles, allowing ample time to reach a repair facility. The inflator functions like a regular one and includes a built-in digital display for real-time tire pressure tracking. 7. Compact multi-tool. Ensure you're ready for unforeseen road emergencies with this compact multi-tool. Designed for car accidents, it features a glass breaker for quick exits, and a built-in belt cutter for situations when the safety belt is compromised. Clip this essential tool directly onto your safety belt for swift access. 8. Emergency lighting kit. In roadside emergencies, visibility is paramount. This emergency lighting kit includes 4 powerful lights capable of illuminating up to a mile away in a 360-degree direction. Simply place the lights around your vehicle, activate them, and choose from various emergency flashing modes. The kit includes a compact bag and screws for added convenience. 9. Baseus MP3 player. Prioritize your safety on the road with the Baseus MP3 player. Securely mounted on your windshield for easy access and music control, it connects to your phone via Bluetooth and synchronizes the car FM to the device's frequency. Plus, it's solar powered, ensuring you won't worry about low battery anymore. 10. LED display. Enhance your car's visual appeal with this captivating LED display. Controlled via a dedicated mobile app, it offers a selection of thousands of emojis, smiles, and lively animations. Express your sentiments from announcing a baby on board to showing support for your favorite team. It integrates with Siri and Google Assistant for secure, hands-free operation. 11. Laser radar detector. For those occasional carefree driving moments, a laser radar detector is a practical tool to avoid speeding tickets. Effortlessly mounted on your windshield and set it up, it features built-in Wi-Fi, 360-degree threat detection, and auto-learn technology to filter out false alerts. 12. Chargerman Tesla to J1772. Adapter experience the epitome of swift and secure electric vehicle charging with the Chargerman Tesla to J1772 charging adapter. It's compatible with all non-Tesla electric vehicles equipped with J1772 charging ports. Compact and portable, it fits into your glove box and ensures charging access at any station. 13. Rove R24K-Cam. Take control with the Rove R24K-Cam. This in-car camera records events during your journey, identifying reckless drivers and shielding you from unwarranted liabilities. It boasts a powerful 4K camera with a 2160 pixel resolution, advanced Sony Starvis sensor, and built-in Wi-Fi for instant video management. 14. CarLinkit 4.0 wireless adapter. Say goodbye to constantly plugging in your phone with the CarLinkit 4.0 wireless adapter. Featuring dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, it ensures a stable streaming experience. This adapter enables wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on your car display. 15. Semi-automatic solar phone. Mount. Upgrade your car mount with the semi-automatic solar phone mount. A simple button, press opens the wings automatically, providing a secure grip for your phone. The solar charging feature ensures a continuous power supply with a backup Type-C charging port available. 16. Warm Q undercarriage cleaner. Bid. Farewell to the hassle of cleaning the underside of your car with the Warm Q undercarriage cleaner. Its 4 innovative nozzles attached to a pressure washer, effortlessly navigating under your vehicle to eliminate dirt from hard-to-reach places. 17. Rohent Baby Car Camera. Ensure your child's safety with the Rohent Baby Car Camera. This device provides high-definition 1080p visuals of your baby's surroundings. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens and infrared night vision, you can monitor your child from various angles and in low-light conditions. 18. ROAV Viva Bluetooth Car Charger. Keep focused on the road with the ROAV Viva Bluetooth Car Charger. It brings Siri and Google Assistant right by your side, enabling safe smartphone interactions. It also boasts 2 USB ports for charging your devices. 19. Portable Car Handrail. This portable car handrail facilitates easy entry and exit from your vehicle. It attaches to the door lock without tools, providing extra support and stability. Sturdy and lightweight, it can withstand up to 300 pounds of force. 20. Govee Interior LED car lights. Enhance your night driving with the Govee Interior LED car lights set. Connect the cable to a DC adapter, attach the switch near your gearbox, and position the lights beneath your seats. Use the app to customize colors and elevate your driving experience. If you found this video useful, hit the like button so YouTube will promote it to more people. Also, if you enjoy seeing these useful gadgets, subscribe to this channel for new videos every week